Hello, this is Tom, and guess what? I'm in the Las Vegas area now. Okay, I guess this is some kind of update. Life update. Tom is in Henderson. Oh, now I'm in Boulder City. But yeah, I love riding through this area. This is Boulder City. So much to see. Yeah, lots of dirt and desert and mountains and stuff, but they have some beautiful cars, as you can see. And that was the beautiful area here. That's actually that was a country club back there. It's a beautiful park. They have a lot of veterans parks out here too. This one's not one of them, but anyways, this is the airport. You can get a ride out to, I think, Grand Canyon. Yes, they can take you out to Grand Canyon. Yeah, it's got some military planes back there too. Anyways, oh yeah, there's more of the airport. There's my bike, just riding around, and this was pretty cool. Got a quick photo of that. Nice sidecar. And here's Henderson. Henderson has a lot of nice coffee shops. And here we are. This is a bike I rented. It's the Tramp Speed 400. Yep. Oh, I had some crappy camera footage of it too. And I did a video of that. But anyways, here it is. Not a bad bike, but not what I expected. Here, back in Henderson. Some more area here. And yep, guess what? I have beautiful sights of seeing the fireworks. Happy 4th of July. Hope everybody had a safe 4th of July and fun 4th of July. And that's about it. I'm out here hanging out in the Las Vegas area. Take care.